Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your OS and securing admin rights. This prevents permission errors. Once done, create a system restore point or backup current driver so you can roll back. Now open Device Manager on Windows or Sound Settings on Mac OS to locate your audio device. Make sure the device is not disabled and note the exact driver name and manufacturer. This first step saves time and avoids confusion during installation, and it ensures you can recover if an update causes issues. You now fetch the proper driver, go to the sound card or PC maker's support page and select the exact model and OS bitness. Once downloaded, unzip if needed and run the installer as administrator to ensure full access. During installation, follow prompts, choose Express or Custom depending on whether you need extra software. After the installer finishes, restart the computer so the new driver fully initializes. If Windows Update offers a driver, use it only if vendor drivers aren't available or recommended. You finish by verifying sound, open playback devices, set the correct output, and run a test tone or video. If audio works, keep settings and monitor stability for a day. If problems occur, reinstall the previous driver or use your system restore point to revert quickly. Make sure drivers are not mismatched with chipset versions. Only update BIOS or chipset when the vendor explicitly advises it. One key troubleshooting tip: disable enhancements and test again. Software effects often cause audio failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.